kitchen items you can use to clean your home. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Mayonnaise. Just like ketchup, mayonnaise is more than just a condiment. It is an effective tree sap remover and can help get rid of crayon marks on the walls. You can use it to make the leaves of your indoor plants shine, remove fingerprints from stainless steel, silence a noisy hinge, kill head lice, and get rid of tar. You can also use mayo to remove water rings on your wood furniture. Coffee filters. Another household essential is coffee filters. Apart from giving us our needed jolt in the morning, coffee filters are also helpful in several other ways. You can protect your favorite dishes from scratching and chipping by placing coffee filters in between the plates as you stack them. If you don't want to dirty your dishes as you eat your snacks, you can use coffee filters as your snack bowl for small bites like crackers and popcorn. Coffee filters are lint-free, and that means you can use them in place of paper towels when cleaning your windows. They are also great for removing debris from screens on your TV or phone. You can also place a filter in a pot before pouring potting soil on it. This will help keep the soil in place as excess water escapes. Tomatoes. Every homemaker loves tomatoes. But apart from adding taste to various kinds of dishes, tomatoes can also be used for home cleaning. When cleaning your home with tomatoes, be sure to remove the skins to prevent it from getting caught in household items. Add powdered salt to the tomato paste and apply this simple mix to areas that need cleaning. It will help remove the grime that may have accumulated in some of your household items. Tomatoes can also add shine to many of your household things and can also act as a bleaching agent. In case you applied the tomato mix and were not able to get rid of the stain, you can add white vinegar or lemon to your tomato paste to increase its alkalinity content and achieve better results. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use toothpaste for cleaning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.